Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you run the correct City Piggy version and enabling any developer or map features. This prevents wasted searches. Once done, open the in-game map and mark the first region to sweep. Start at a fixed spawn point. Keep a screenshot tool ready to log found pages. Move methodically, don't rush rooms. You want repeatable coverage. If you find a page, note coordinates and reset your timer. Pacing reduces misses and eases later verification. Now you perform the core sweep. Move clockwise through each building and inspect floors, vents, and ceilings. Pages hide high and low. You should listen for audio cues and watch NPC movement patterns. These often indicate where objectives cluster. Make concise notes after each find, page ID, location, and any observed respawn delay. Once you complete one loop, compare notes and target unexplored nooks. Repeat loops faster as your map fills. That efficient repetition closes gaps and builds confidence. Finish by cross-checking your checklist against collected pages and revisiting any missed zones. Confirm you have each numbered page. If a page doesn't spawn, try server hopping or rejoining the match because instance bugs can hide items. Make sure your client is updated and clear cache if odd behavior persists. This often fixes invisible objects. If you still encounter issues, pause and retrace one final methodical loop. This usually reveals the last missing page and prevents needless frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.